Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today's video will be on a drugstore makeup tutorial full face. This is very beginner friendly because when you start off with makeup, I know you don't want to start off buying a whole lot of expensive stuff. You want to kind of stay on the low end side, and low end, they be having some good stuff. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So starting off, we're going to prime our eyes. You want to always prime your eyes and your face so that your eyeshadow and foundation can have something to stick to. I got this palette from Walgreens. Y'all, I went in there to buy some paper plates. Soon as I walk in the door, there's this big yellow sign that said buy two, get one free. So you know what I did? I bought 6 things out of there, okay? Well, really 7 because I had to get the paper plates. But I'm using this eyeshadow palette by NYX, and it's called Always Naked. So when doing the transitional color, I found that tapping it and then blending it out works really well. So next I'm going to take the shimmer color and place this all over the lid. And y'all, this color is so pretty in real life. And I'm saying real life because you know sometimes on camera you can't really see it how you can see it in real life. Then I'm going in with a dark brown from that palette and packing it on the outer crease and blending it in. So again, the key to makeup is blending. You will see me doing that on the eyeshadow and my face as well, how I go back into like the foundation brush whenever I put my blush on, my highlight, to make sure everything is in sync and uniform. And I only use 3 colors from that palette. The lashes that I'll be using is by Eyelure, and the lash glue that I like is the one that looks just like a little liner, because after I put my eyeliner on, and y'all, I feel like Denzel, like when I do my brows and my wing liner, like I got to get surgical with that stuff. But for real, I didn't know I was a surgeon until I started doing makeup, because I have to do my brows and this wing liner, and y'all know you got to stop breathing when you do those 2 things, for sure, for sure. So when we put our lashes on, as you can see, they make a big difference. Look at that. Golly, put them lashes on, girl. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, and the eyes are done, y'all. It really don't take that long to put eyeshadow on, because when you put your foundation on, it's like setting the whole thing off. We setting it off up in here. So moving on to the face, I'm gonna be using my E.L.F. Power Primer Grip, and y'all, I really love this stuff. I like the E.L.F. brand a whole lot, and of course, you can get this from the drugstore. That's what the purpose of this video is for, Mariah. Duh. And when we talk about drugstore, me personally, I like Walgreens because for one, it's next door. And for two, y'all, if you put your phone number in there and you keep shopping there, like one time I went up in there, I had $10 off. Y'all, I went crazy up in that thing when that lady told me, oh, you got $10 off on your next, to use on your next purchase. Baby. Mm-hmm. I don't want to forget my neck, but y'all tell me why am I looking like this? And I really figured out, if you do not make faces when you put your makeup on, your makeup ain't gonna come out right. So make sure make sure you make the faces, because that really puts everything together. And another brand that I like is Fit Me. I've been using Fit Me, y'all, literally since I started wearing makeup. And I think I really started getting into makeup when I was like 13. So that's been like 20 some years, 20 plus years. That's all I'm going to say, that I've been wearing Fit Me. And it's just a go to. Like, I do the higher end stuff as well. But I'm telling you, when I run out that high end and my pocket's tighter than, yeah, look, I go right to the drugstore and get the Fit Me, because they never let me down. So working on the base, you'll see me going back and forth from like adding blush to the foundation brush, adding highlight to the foundation brush. And to me, I feel like when I do that, it just brings everything together. So last, I'm going to put my lips on, and I'm just using some translucent powder to knock some of that oil off. And y'all, I'm using this lip liner by NYX, and when I tell y'all, it is so creamy and it just glides on the lips. It was my first time, like IMX, my very first time, and I'm really loving it. So then I'm going to put some lip gloss on, and then I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'm going to complete the look with a mold. I'm going to have to invest in this, the dermatologist, so they can put me on a mold so I can stop putting it on myself, because y'all, sometimes I be forgetting, and then I have to like explain myself, like, what happened to the mold? Like, look, don't worry about all that, because you've been in my face too much. And that's it. This is the final look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite brand at the drugstore, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.